Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm from the United States, and for January this month, I did the in-person teacher training here in Guadalajara at ITTO. They did say it was going to be intensive 4-week course, and it very much was. However, it was also extremely rewarding. Having the practice teaching sessions in person was absolutely invaluable. I'm really grateful that I chose to do in person rather than doing an online course. That practice teaching, I've taught 10 classes now, and I just would not have gained the experience or the knowledge any other way than just really getting in there and doing it. A lot of materials covered. I would recommend brush up on your grammar before you come, because as an English speaker, grammar was really challenging for all of us. I think we do things automatically and we really have forgotten why. So I highly encourage you to brush up on your grammar if you do choose to come. The staff here is fantastic. They've helped me so many ways, from living situations to scheduling, and the job search has been amazing. I was offered a job. I've interviewed a couple times. So if you're looking for kind of a result of getting a job after, absolutely, this is the program for you. They're very supportive, very helpful. And the portfolio, your resume, everything you need to be a professional teacher and to actually start working. So highly recommend it. It's been a great experience.